If you watch this entire video and you still can't figure out how to fix your fat loss problem and get rid of your jelly rolls, then there's no hope for you, little bro. My name is Gavin Longwell, and I'm be giving you the exact step-by-step system that got my clients from looking soft and pudgy to absolutely shredded in just 6 months or less. First thing we need to do is figure out how many calories you need to eat in a day in order to lose fat. This is called a calorie deficit, and you need to be in one in order to lose weight consistently. To find your calorie limit, go to any calorie calculator and fill out all your information. Then it's going to give you a maintenance number, and you want to subtract that by about 500. Then you need to be getting all your protein in so you don't lose any muscle and you can stay fuller for longer without feeling like you're fucking starving. To find your protein limit, you're going to want to go to any calculator, put 0.8 times your body weight, and that's how many grams of protein you're going to be eating. Alright, so now we're going to need something to track our food and hit our daily calorie and protein goals. So for this, we're just going to download a free app called MyFitnessPal. And just so you know, you can actually go over your protein, but definitely don't go over your calorie limit. Now that you know how to accurately track your weight loss, I'm going to be giving you some secret sauce that I wish I knew earlier when it came to losing weight. You can eat whatever the flying fuck you want as long as you hit your protein goal and stay under your calorie limit. Then you're completely fine to eat junk food, pizza rolls, crumble cookie, whatever the fuck you want. I'm telling you, I've tried many diets and this is the #1 thing that's helped me consistently lose weight. If you do this for a couple months, just watch your body fat melt off. And obviously, if you want to see even better results, then you're going to have to get your ass in the gym at least 3 to 4 times a week. And if for some reason you still don't think this shit works, let me know when you lose over 18 pounds in 2 months, eating literally junk food every day. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Go ahead and check out the rest of my page for more weight loss tips.